All right, let's break some stuff. Now let's get to work. Let's try to get some stuff done. I think my plan for today is UI and props. All right, so we're gonna get ourselves started here. Oh man, all right. I'm trying to just remember where I was. Cool. All right. So, what were some props I was thinking of? I got a list. I got a whole list. I think we can make some like overall just a couple of flower pots that will be universal. So like, let's go here. Ladder, sure, whatever. You can see like we made can, but like let's go here. Damn it. Let's go here. Make a folder. We're gonna call this one round. And inside of it do I just saw it. My God. Okay. So, just this right. What am I doing? All right. So let's do flower pot. Okay, cool. It's something we could probably reuse, but at the same time, it'd be a little bit of work being cross-platform. Okay, so take this. Let's go. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go cylinder. Let's say like 16. Scale. Scale. Okay. Oh, come on. Rain. What the? Stop tracking this. Really? Okay, my brain's like shut off a little bit. Oh, there we go. Do this. Terms. Like started stream and then my tiredness hit me. We're good. We got this. Easy enough. Okay, cool. Needs to be a little less than a meter. Oh. Okay. What the heck? Oh, dang it. Okay. Gosh darn it. Alright, now I can do that. That. Okay. Not something can go in. Let's duplicate. Duplicate. Oh. Alright, and then we go here. Oh, how the heck did I change the sides? What's that thing? What? How do I, how do I go back? Okay. That's gonna be like, we're screwed forever? I'm never gonna be able to undo that? R.I.P. Are you done though? Alright. Where's the button? Buttons, where are you? No, I gotta remember. Okay, so this should be the material. So you can grab something like this. Grab the actual image. Right, I'm not seeing it. Why no see? Okay. Well, yeah, it should be important. Import. Right. I'm trying to find another texture. Why you know be right here? Why is it? I mean, it's also already in there. That's gonna piss me off. I know we're back to already material. In fact, we should be able to. I mean, not just main one. There we go. And then obviously just. Okay. Come on. For some reason, like, Guardians of the Galaxy popping up in my head. Why, hello there. Thanks for the Jesus Christ. Way too many subs. It's been a while. Been a while. Wow. Technically, I released Lava for mobile. Or, I mean, not for mobile, for PC. And I released 2 Game Jam games. I think. But yeah. This year. There'll be a game this year. All in it now. If not, I'll. I don't know. What time are you gonna start CTUs? Oh, I guess I could stream Sea of Thieves to get the Sea of Thieves drops. That's like hacking. Like, yeah. You found the answer. Whoa. I don't know. That'd be smart though. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know if I'll. I don't know how late I'll be able to. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll do that if you want to play in a little bit. It's a hack that I already should know because I'm a Sea of Thieves creator already. Yeah. I'm down mainly because I like if you want to stream that, because I'm pretty sure you'll be stream safe. Generally. Other people, I don't know. Oh my god. Dear God. I don't even remember what that was about. For anyone out of the loop, he just has a soundboard that he just loops random clips. Just there we go. Let's just find a good. All right, this can be a. This 100%. I was 100% like half asleep right here. I just started streaming and was like half asleep for the first part of it. Because I was typing this. This is not what I typed. Gablitasa. No, this is gonna be like flower pot. Large. I think I actually now that I made this though, I don't need this one. But I think it'd be useful to do this small one still. The reason why is I already have one. And that is like the bigger one. And the question is whether or not to or whether or not to I forgot something. All those. Whether or not to do the flower inside of it as well. I think we could do this obviously automatically. Take one of these. Oh. Yeah, instead of going all the way to the ground. Take this guy. Like right there. Inset. Alright, and then we do like a dirt color. Alright, select that. Select it again. Clear. I can't clear shot, whatever. I think I could. I think I saw it at the bottom right as I marked away. Okay, so let's do that. Save. Ah. Alright, assets model, no, it needs to be in content models, props. I'll just do a random prop here. So this is static mesh, small, or no, single flower pot. Rename that. Flower pot. Ooh. Alright, so we could do like props. Oh damn, that's big. Or that's what she said, joke. Well, yeah, no, let's do that. And then apply, transform. Should be something you always do. Oop. Here. And then that should update. Should definitely not be called, what is it called? Static mesh though. Browse the asset. And it lost it. It's just oop. It probably renamed itself or something. That oh dear God. Inspection. We crashed the engine already. Perfect. Alright, so that's crash +1. For that totally accurate number, because I don't crash it any more than when I remember to type that in. The rest are all fake. Alright, let's see though. Let's go. What's that floating? Got that. I'm thinking almost little stuff I want to do. What the heck? Why is it taking so long? Oh, all right. Let's see though. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's go and say. Okay, we can build that as well. There we go. Packages, you're fine. I need to reset this up. So like the way I do it right now, that's to like load a level till before it will load the levels. Or maybe it's just broken in general. But this no longer loads the levels. Distraction. So tools. Yeah, that'd be WB tools. Wrap box is all that is. And then what's it doing? It's getting so on pre-construct, on construct. We're getting the primary asset list. We're then sorting through that list, getting a name, and creating a button for each. I wonder, did I remove that primary asset type or something? Like I shouldn't have. Like that's a map type. It should be working. Let's see, what's it saying? Get selected actors. I don't need that. Oh, maybe it's because of that. My God. Has it failed because I had a random node that wasn't even plugged in? That'd be funny. Also very believable. Alright, so now let's see. Okay, there we go. Also, we should be able to sort this by actual things. Map. Now get. Yes. Their name. Who's that? I thought there was like a. Asset class. I don't know. I'm forgetting which node I'm looking for. I know it's here. I just don't remember the name off the top of my head. Either way, it doesn't matter. We have it working. This can be called actual button press. Fully. Anytime I go into something, I've been trying to like name things better. Like how this just sucks at. Why is it doing it more than once? I don't know. We'll see. It should work. And then I need to make sure. Hold on, before I leave here. This needs to actually. Oh, it's because I clear the children, right? Because we're doing it at construct time too. Even though really I could just do this. Right? And never clear it. Or I mean this. And never clear it. Never mind. Still does it. So what's this do? Okay. I think it has an issue where it recreates it. It just keeps going over and over again. Yeah. Even if we have it like this. Let's do if. Design time true. We'll check it out. Maybe we can get it fixed. I don't know. I mean, either way, we can do that, eh? Oh, cool. Doesn't work now. Perfection. Interesting. Oh, you know what? Can I just... Is it not design time somehow? Is that like something I mark? Like, it's design time. Yes. Oh no, I didn't see that an ad was starting. On Twitch. Okay, I don't know. I'm not gonna spend all day on it. If it starts glitching, we'll fix it. Otherwise, there we go. Alright, cool. Now let's get the actual stuff I'm trying to do. Let's go here, let's go. Yeah, distract myself. Go to the flower pot. Re-import. What the fudge? Selected. Export. Boom, boom. Aha. telling me that's the same size? You know what? Let's do this. How about this? Watch. God damn it. Alright. Sorry for anyone that got ads on Twitch. I forget to call them out. I forgot to see the timer. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to list it on the user side too, but I forget. If you guys don't want to see ads, obviously, y'all should get Twitch Turbo. No, it might be on, or you know, see if I'm streaming other places, but I'm not allowed to say. I wouldn't know anything about that. Now let's yeah. Oop. There we go. It did update. It's just so there's a bugginess in the version I have at the moment where it's updating this to be a random like temp mesh instead of the mesh that is up. Like, so I mean that would make sense that it would do that normally when the mesh gets updated, or the static mesh that it's, you know, being read from is getting updated. But I think what's happening then is sorry guys, is it's just not, it's then going to like a temporary thing and not coming back, type of thing. All right, and then we can check out metal as well for it. Get that little bit of fancy glow going. Or just keep it flat. All right. There we go. It don't necessarily work here because it looks like that, but it will work eventually at some point. Okay, cool. So, put down some other junk. I'm trying to think. So if I... Oh wait, I remember what I was supposed to be doing. We had tasks today. Let's get them done. Input, icons, build things, pause. Where be the pause menu? Game menus, probably. Pause. Alright. These are all not set up correctly, because they have different styles on them. Thankfully, bam, that's all it takes nowadays. But in that, at the same time, only normal is set up and not... Oh nice, this is working again. This is like to preview it. That's cool. Alright, so normally, or not normally, just the normal box is working. But I should say, is this corner radius? Let's try copying that. So we need normal hovered, which would be the same thing. And then make sure to set it all the same settings. The nice thing is, like, with the new styles, we only have to set this one place. The way it used to be is, like, every button you had to make sure either got it from, like, the construction script telling it to turn into this brush, or you had to go manually assign it, right? Where now, it's not so much like that. Because of the way they do it. Alright, so we will like when pressed, or I guess when hovered, right? So this is hovered, and then pressed is a different button. I guess hovered. What would you do in hover? We could try doing like that being that, and then on press, make sure round, and then oh yeah, and then selected. Ow. I don't know if I necessarily need selected. We'll see. Paste? No. Okay. Copy. Paste. Fixed. This will be... I mean, let's just do this color so that we can see it. Right? Okay, perfect. What is the air here? Get selected what? Get selected actors in this runtime. Blueprint is only for editor utility widgets. It is an editor utility widget. Asshole. I guess how do I mark it as a? Or you know what? It's because it's inside of here, huh? Both those are editor utility widgets, and then the actual this. So let's make this also an editor utility widget. I guess if it's gonna have the actions of that. Editor. Oh, I can't, right? Okay. Oh, this is cool. Or are they not? Someone, yeah, they vertically and horizontally. They kind of automatically set up a little easier. Cool. We'll end up doing all this. Okay, I'll worry about that later. Either way, yeah, we can bypass that for now. All right, cool. So hovered, and then selected. Okay, cool, and then pressed. There is still one that wasn't set correctly. You can tell if we press on released, it went back to a square. And then these need like margins. Like, let's see. How do I adding up by, oh no, never mind. I was hoping I could say padding on there and say, but no. So we'll do it in here. There should be a, is there not a button? I guess we just do this. Let's just do the spacer. That's what it's for, right? Alright, so spacer. There we go. All right. Save that out. Oh, why can't I? Oh, because we're playing still. Ipsy. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So on hover, this should happen, right? Do I mark it to even happen? Like, are we doing a on hovered? Bind on hover, event on hovered. Yeah, because we need to do the play animation. Grab the animation. Animation. Hello? Buttons. Hello. Now what was it? On hovered, right? On hover. And then on. And on hovered. Do the same thing. But backwards. Reverse. Oop. And then I guess we could change color with this too. We also need to set that up though to animate. But yeah, they unless it automatically based on the name or something. But yeah, anyways. Okay. Okay, let's see. We gotta attach it to this side because I'm blind. Okay, let's see. Let us see now. No, let's see. So on locked hovered. Okay, no, we want. I guess I wonder if it goes to selected. Let's do a test to see where it's going once we press it. Because that's what I'm thinking. Is it goes to something like selected. Which that might be a setting as well. Because I know that is in here somewhere. Interactable when selected. Okay. Selectable. Okay. So if I turn off selectable and compile, it still went to selectable. I saw it. I done seen it. Yeah, see, that stays on selected. But maybe selected is different than selectable. So on selected, we just go back to this. I guess. Excite. Nope. Copy. I mean, it makes sense. I know, like, most menus, like, it'll be, like, dark after you pressed it. It's like, realistically, if you press that, it should go away. If we press play, plus whatever. I guess we could use that, though. We could use, like, on selected, or deselected. It's just, I wonder how... we probably have to set, like, change how selected works a little bit. Because I'm thinking to call the right man or not command thing. Animation. Oh, and then this, all I'm doing is it's gonna be something like oh, I guess, yeah. Oh man. Because I was gonna say here is where we actually should be changing the color. Where if we just say do this, say on hover. Oh, I guess we can't change color when that's off. Or we can, huh? Right? Yeah. We still can. We change this one though. Or no. Either way though, we'll add the spacer left, spacer right, and then just what's the setting I'm looking for? Size. So 0, and then here we will do this would be 1, 1, and that way we just get a whoop. Or that doesn't look that good because it's not growing evenly because of whatever reason. I think it's because this something is set to not be centered. Whoa! Oh no, that happened. Changing one thing, change the whole color. All right then. Yeah, what if we just... Okay, let's set this to 8. 8. Oh no, maybe it's just the screen. Check it out on the pause. I was not doing it there. Interesting. We can't increase size there. This is around 7. Oh, for the 7 our time or his? Because that's the flippity floppity. That's the issue. Oh, our time. My goodness. Alright. Fancy. He learned how to use time zones. Yeah, no, I'll definitely be done with this by then. Alright, so it does work. I can see it firing off, but I think it's firing off at the wrong... No, it's just doing that. It's doing the... Going back to a square. For selected. I think because I turned selected into off. Or whatever. Which is weird. Selectable. Oh, maybe if I do this. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so that's hovered selected bull. This is okay. Is that little blue outline? That's the selection. Oh god, I hate this. I don't like UI. All gross. Gotta overcomplicate itself. Okay. So this isn't getting fired though, I don't think. Let's try this. Instead of just on hovered, we need this to be from on hovered. Yeah, I guess that would be it, right? Like, unless I bind on hovered. Let's do this. Let's see if it's maybe just might just be a style thing causing it not to be able to move. Either way, I'm not too focused on that. I need to focus on the actual style not being done. So normal hovered, normal that, selected, so selected base, selected hovered. You can change all this up. Okay. And then selected press. Rounded. Outline. Okay. That should cover everything. So that one's selected. This one's considered selected. This one's just considered hovered. This one's considered selected hovered. Now they're both selected. They're all selected. Just clicked. Okay. So damn confusing. So this, no. Interactive when selected. Sure. We were clicked after selected, sure. I don't know. I don't know anymore. On selected, hovered. No. So hovered. Okay, so it is calling though. I saw that. What's happening is it's in a box or something that it cannot expand out of. Right. So it's trying to fill and it can't. So what if we do that? Oh, that'd be gross. That's what that would be. Action, not interactable. Confirm priority. Trying to see if there's a weird one I missed. Okay, no. I do want to know why this is not like on click continue. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I just need to set the brown this and this That, I think, or pressed, yeah. But I don't want it to stay pressed. If I remember right, I'm having to like. Okay. And I'm like, I don't know now. You know what? What if we... Yeah, what if pressed is this? The lighter. I don't know. Okay. That fixes that UI setup for now. These are going to be customizable, I think, in game. Or I'll just set like a override for that. Make it easier. We do need to make an options menu. Do we have one already? We started. So this needs to be an overlay. For now, we'll just have literally common activatable widgets, so we'll just have like nothing showing, but text. Setting. I don't know. We need a common. What is it called? Visibility switch for sure, but no, I'm looking for the common. Oh, dang it. I don't remember names well enough. What's the bottom? Button? No. There's a thing that's listed over here. The common action bar. Action bar. Okay. Obviously that's not final. That's just me making something pop up. Okay, so now I have to actually put it into the menu part. Then I like when I can actually click a button, right? Like rather than it just being just sitting there doing nothing. But we need to what is it? Push widget to main. That would be push the options menu. There we go. Oop. Oop. Oh, that unpaused it, I think. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, it's because it's on deactivate. I unpause, huh? Ooh. So I probably shouldn't push this to main, but instead, I guess I can. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much, but we just make sure that anytime the options menu is open, we pause it. Everything we can just call the same thing. On that. Technically, I guess would like skip a frame, maybe ahead, and have a chance of dying. But sucks for you. Now we'll figure out something better for that later. Because we'll do like a. I guess we could probably get this. If this is getting called, set something to activate. You know. And then this needs to also listen to the same class. Which it should be already. I don't think I have to tell it that. Like tell input mapping. Optional input mapping to be applied and removed on activation. Okay. So I do. Oh. I wonder, does this one not use that yet? It does not. Yeah, so let's use that. And it will be, we'll make one for menus. Like one thing, you then have to do one thing to do that one thing. To do that one thing, you need to do two more things. Just an ever growing whole of things that you have to do. Okay, cool. From here, I'm going to say, where is it? Input, that's what I'm looking for. Player input, I think that's in, this project is in blueprints. Input. And then we'll just copy this for now. But it's gonna be IMC underscore menu. Right? And basically what this, the nice thing about this is you're gonna have an action. Like technically we could just keep these assigned, right? I get assigned IA back, but I can also just make enhanced input menu accept, right? And that way we can change like one mapping, keep the same menu mapping. And really that's all gonna get trashed. I just didn't want to hit duplicate. So for now we'll keep that though. We'll this should be what we listen to. And this will help later when it comes to actually having like a controller support on it, because all we have to do is hit to what's called, I can't think of the word. All we have to tell it is like, hey, this is the priority input, do this. And the nice thing is, like, say we had it where like this menu was just where the player was still in control and the menu was still up. Because of this input mapping priority, we could have it where things are mapped inside the widget itself, but because of the priority, it's going to call whatever's in front of the player and not in front of the, like, not the widget, or the vice versa, whichever the or is best. Because it could be like, you know, your, you know, X is to build, but also to interact, you know. I don't know. I'm just spitballing. Is back handler. Yeah, so is back handler I think should always be on. I think I do that one. Auto activate, because then you automatically can call on activated, right? Instead of just on construct, you have on activated. And then like this, we'll have it. For now, I'm just gonna do the action. Let's see, which one would it be? I think just left. Like I back is always F. I don't know. I don't know. Probably like B. I think most games do. And then obviously, what is it? Gamepad, right button, or yeah, face button, right? MC for use by menus. Menu widget. There controls. Okay. Cool. We did things and stuff. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah, and this is most of this is gonna get replaced anyways. But at least it's done now. Now what I really need to work on is like the player HUD. I want to have like a player widget class that displays certain things. So like might as well, apparently it's a widget day. So let's do that. Let's go. What is this widget? This is a widget text block. Okay, cool. 10 out of 10 widget. Matt. Quick menu. Oh, I think I had already started it. This was gonna be like our quick slots. And then what we need to do is have it where we have a actual, like, here, let's see, like a HUD. So let's go quick slots over here. And then like an actual user interface, widget blueprint. I guess it will be a common activatable. It doesn't need to be a user. I guess that works because then I don't gotta worry about the whole destroyed alive thing. Okay, cool. And then we'll just call that like widget underscore HUD. Keep adding an E for some reason. So overlay. Right. Let's go quick. Oop. Center. I think this was supposed to represent like these are the, you know, options that the player has at the moment to switch between in their hands. So like however that works. I would probably do more. I probably could do this. Let's do, instead of like this, where we're creating it, so that we have more control over this. Let's actually say this. Let's go this quick menu. Just make a variable. This variable is going to be like it's going to be a byte. It's going to be so small. Lot. So this will be the amount of slots. By default, it will have like 4 slots. And all we're gonna do is on construction or pre-construct, we're gonna say get this slot amount for each. I guess okay, let's make it a thingy integer. I meant to originally, but it was right there. All right. For loop. Oh, is it for loop -1? I think if we're starting at 0. We are going to where is it? Get this horizontal box. Okay, so get that. Add child. Okay. A widget. Right? And just, yeah. And it's a quick slot. Oh wow. I feel like not all that needs to be exposed, but okay. Oh, it's because it's a button. It's a quick slot but. It confused me because it only has 1 T. Okay, cool. So now it should be that we say yo goodbye. Then over here, we should have slot. So if I decide, hey, we want 10. Oh, it's doing the thing. Now let's so we need to do, if this is the case, get that, clear it. That's kind of interesting though, I have to say. So even like this, it should be where these go. I guess that would be based on the buttons themselves then. Setting, whatever this is set to. So like the quick slot button. Alright, that's set to do that. Set to expand. It's not set to... Okay, cool. We need to figure this out. That'd be good. Do like a 60 by 60. I don't know. I'm not sure what size I put that stuff at. Lot detail. Does this do anything? It does. Oh, okay, no. It only does alignment, which it's saying even center align. If it did, horizontal, yeah, the alignment. Interesting. Yeah, because one would expect it to actually do this, where I look for the right one, or we would actually just see it centered. I guess if I do that, it would center. And then it will never center. There we go. Ooh. Ah, I see. Yeah, that way we can have like a currently selected thing. Get that. I don't know, I like that UI. Maybe we won't keep that type of thing, but I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll have to wait and see. Let's save that. And almost starting. I'm gonna I gotta get up and just stretch, so I'm gonna hit the add button so that it doesn't start again as I sit back down. And since nothing will be happening anyways. And then we'll work on some more stuff. I'll probably, let's get into like modeling some props and stuff. I think that will help. We'll change it up from widgets for a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I will be right back. Sorry, my dog needed attention as well. He's like, no, let me in. I need to see what's happening. I need attention. Basically what he said. Like, pay attention to me, please. Please, 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 please. That's how I hear his voice. It's just all begging. He's like, I need everything. All right. Let's see. What did we start doing? Let's Oh man, I'm trying to think. I think one thing we didn't do with the buildings, right? When we did the houses and stuff, I want to do like a house prop. I want to make a little I want to make like house planners for the windows. I think if I remember, we might have made like a building with it, but probably not. Okay, yeah, no, we did not. But like, oh yeah, we kind of did like that, right? But I want to make like legit planners we can just copy paste, put on under windows. I need to make some window styles so that we can actually get the scale of windows for the buildings. Because basically what I'm doing is I'm building a building base, and then from there, making replaceable parts that I can customize so that we can make the same building, but you know, have it slightly different. Is the idea. Okay. And then like this type of stuff I need to actually work on. I need to make a tool for this specifically because I want it to be exact. And that's not what I'm doing at the moment. But if we make a tool or make like some kind of thing for it. Same with like, okay, so like this building, for instance, is the weird danger one. I think this one needs specifically like a wall around it. Unless I want the player to break on top of the roof. Which might be a quest, who knows, we'll see. Because that's something I need to do like in town. It needs controls where we're not just jumping over everything. Also, hey, I see you over there. All right. So from here, I also need these. So I need this without the extra part out here, because that part needs to be removed on buildings like this where it's like, you know, this should be grass. So that's something I need to update. But anyways, let's do it. Let's go here. Unselect all these. I should not see more stuff. So door and door step need their own. New collection. So this is doors. And then this is so door steps. We'll just erase that for now. Then this is under normal prop. And then so this props. Oh, now let's go building props. Because there's specifically props that go on like building outsides, exteriors, and all that. Was this? There's nothing in there. Okay. We'll just use this one. Window. What is it? Flower. I called it. I literally. What's it called now? Like. Oh. I don't know anymore. Window. I don't know. Flower pot. I literally called it what it was, and then now I'm like throwing a blank. All right. This should be easy enough because it's just gonna be a cube. So something like that large. Probably doesn't need to be 2 meters. And then we will. Whoa. Let's kind of beg it forward. And then that way, like when we're looking from above, right, we're gonna see a little more. What I want to do is like, let's round these off. Good. What the heck keeps happening there? Okay, so undo. Apply. Hey, how's it going? Back. What you been up to? Oh, it's been a while. For sure. I clicked on your messages. That's cool. All right. We need to apply. Transform. So yeah, that's good. One time it's finally actually like going not much. Just VFX. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's cool. All right, let's go like that. Oh, sorry. Right now I'm working on a little small project. Little like how's your game going? It's going pretty good, but right now we're not working on it. We're working on this game. It's like a little. It was meant to be like a little side project that I could release faster, but now I've been delaying working on it at all. But it was meant to just be so that I could experiment with more stylized, like even more style, like I don't know. I've always liked people that do like the low poly look, but I always unsuccessfully do it because I add too much detail, right? I was just actually talking to someone about this. Like so it's like it's a practice for me to keep it simple, and not complicate it. Because like my main game's stylized, but it's stylized to the point where it's like, okay, I can still have normal maps, I can still have like roughness and material effects. So it's not like, you know, it's not full-blown Borderlands or something, but it's stylized in a way that's my style, where it's like, okay, it's easy, you know, I can make some stuff in Designer. So like here, I was trying to do even simpler than that, where it's like everything's using the same just palette, and I slowly expanded it, and like, but it's still like limiting. I hope to kind of I'm gonna do like gradients here, and like I gotta figure out some more colors. I should have planned it out more. But yeah, so that's my plan right now, is to kind of keep it simple like that, where it's like that's a new style for me. Which is, I was telling someone, it's like it's one of those things where it's like simple in itself sounds easy, and it looks like, oh, anyone can do that, which is true. Like most beginners, that's how they start. But I kind of never explored that style. Like I went straight for the style that I have, basically. Oh, nice. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Anime is awesome. If you have anything you want to share, feel free. Links are allowed. Yeah, an anime can be even weirder when it's obviously because it's lighting. I was actually just watching someone play like Frog Detective, and that's like a Unity game. It's very flat. But it's that simple, you know, boxy modeling. But like there's something about all of it combined where it's like even just having shadows, like for me, like not having shadows looks weird. I mean, in this it looks weird too, but it's like one of those things where I got to wrap my head around, like, oh, that could be an option. I was like looking into post-process and yeah, for sure. Like I've done some post-process work on here. I need to overall work on the lighting itself. It's something that I've I tweaked to be good enough, and then I haven't kind of changed since. But yeah, it's been like a nice, like, just little exploration, being able to do like wild colors like this, and it's like, oh, okay, yeah, that could look fine. So yeah. All right, so right now we're making like a, I literally called it what it was, so now I can't remember the name. Yeah, exactly. Especially with like the default, like, so like Unreal has like the ASICs, like color post-process by default, and that thing just washes things out. So like I think I that's one of the things I have in here is like the material I set up so that I can kind of multiply the colors, and like add some emissive depending on the material, but then also in the actual post-process, like I generally like I haven't done a lot yet, but I friggin' like changed where the gamma and stuff was just slightly, just as a start. It's one of those things. Yay, feel free. And then like I was looking at some work actually that was done on like the cell shader material stuff, where it's like just to get that kind of broken up shadowing and stuff, but I'm like, that might be too complex, because honestly I don't even know if I want shadows if we kind of can light it right. One thing I do like that currently isn't available with virtual shadows, which I'm using virtual shadows just because it helps with the distance that this actually plays at. But if we change to like normal shadows, one thing that I like that is a feature of the engine but hasn't made it way to virtual shadow mapping yet is to be able to set the actual shadow like colors. Oh, nice. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. I love the stylization there. Yeah, I like it. Check out if you've seen what, like, the only thing I've been following like post-process wise, if you follow Hippo Wombat, he's been doing some really cool lighting stuff. It kind of, like, your work reminds me of that. That's why I'm bringing it up. Where yours is obviously more anime and more the extreme side of it. and then he's doing like a basic stylization. Well, not basic, but you know what I mean. Where like his stuff has been, but I know he did some shadow, like some shadow stuff for it, for like the cell post process, you know. If I can find it. Dang Twitter. His stuff's really insane. It's like his this was pretty cool watching. So like his shadow, you can get this unique shadow look on this thing, and your scene reminded me a little bit like that. A little, want to create more Ghibli. Yeah, I think that's the style for everyone right now. But yeah, he streams sometimes, but he works at like Heart Machine, so things like Solar Ash. He just did like tech art on that. He mainly streams like his procedural landscape stuff that he's been working on, but yeah, there's some other stuff in there that has to do with like the lighting and stuff. He shared some links about where he did it if you're looking into like actually doing like a custom, I don't know if he did like the custom path or just a material, or not custom path, custom like material surface type or whatever it is. But I mean, his stuff's just marketplace. He's just really great at lighting, I feel. Getting that vibe down. But I know, like, here it is. I know this was earlier this year. Freaking Twitter X stupidness for lighting. That's where I was like, I saw this and was tempted to do it here, but I was like, I think this game's simple enough where it's like, I could probably do something to add a little bit to it, but I'm thinking we'll end up just doing some material stuff instead. But what I was trying to say is, the one thing that is nice is like if I wasn't using virtual textures, yeah, you want to create a material like that? Yeah, so thankfully, like the, oh, I mean, I closed it. I was gonna say, most of it's like you have to open up and do a like your own shader type, which the engine's slowly getting like opening that up where it's going to be easier than it is now. It used to be a lot harder. You had to compile your own engine for cell shader outlines. But I think he posted it. That's what I'm looking for. At some point. Might be on his blog or somewhere. But it's pretty cool. Where you can, I mean, that's what I like about the Unreal community and stuff. Is like, I mean, just game dev in general. Most people will share how they did something, right? Or share behind the scenes. And then like that thing can now be done by more people. Yeah, no, I'm looking for stuff. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I take it you're making like a survival game based on the hunger and all that, those icons. Oh, there we go. There we go. He actually posts somewhere where he went to like resources for the actual I mean, it might be stuff you've already seen. To get like that rim lighting and cell shaded look. Because it looks like you already got. I'm not sure if you already had some stuff, but yeah, that should help you. Hopefully, if you haven't looked in it, there's 3 different links for all the different stuff. All right. Anyways, yeah. So like, there's the directional, and this is something I still gotta figure out what I want. I don't like how low resolution this looks, but we can. Can I get the little sun face light? Where's the dang directional light? Do I not have a directional light? Light. What the heck is happening? Skylight, yes. Oh, you know what? There's a blueprint somewhere. I think it's just time of day. Yeah. So this requires some code changing. Not what I'm doing, but what he posted. The actual cell shaded for shadows does. That's what I was trying to say. But like that, all those links actually kind of covered in depth. Where if that's what you're looking to learn, it's good. But no, I'm just talking about what I've been trying to decide on, like colors and stuff like that, is like, if I'm not using virtual shadows, the default like directional light has this control for shadow amount, and it's like that we can get some cool results, but then like virtual shadows look great. We need to use like higher. I wonder why. Yeah. Let's just use shadow. Yeah, no, I mean honestly, if you are looking to doing some shelf shading for your stuff, it's definitely recommended. There's some ways you can fix it, like change it with like models and stuff a little bit. You know, some trickery there I've seen done, but yeah, you're gonna probably want, yeah, like you can do some stuff. The only issue with that, so you can't affect so like the nice thing about doing it with, so this is where it's like it depends on what you want exactly, right? So if you do it like he does there, or with that link, you know what I mean? Then you can actually, sorry, brain fart. Yeah, so like that's where it's like you can probably fake shadows because you can get in a material. So that's where it kind of sucks. In a material, you have access to stuff like. So this is what some games do. Is all they do is they get the sky. Because you can get the sky atmosphere light as the sky direction. Right, that's what the older games would do, is they'd actually get the closest light to them and then change their shadow based on that. But you can get like if your game's an open world game and you only have the directional light, then you could theoretically do something like this, where you get the skylight direction, and then in whatever direction's the opposite of the sky, you change your material. And then, but other than that, you have to do like hard-coded changes. That's why you'll see some games with no shadowing at all. Like there's certain ways you can make it where people don't even notice. But yeah. But yeah, so that's what I've been deciding here, though. Sorry, as I keep going off tangents. Is like whether I want these soft shadows, or do like this where it has the... Yeah, that's the fun part about making games, right? Or like this. Whereas like I feel like this sometimes looks good because it obviously adds shadows to everything that needs a shadow, even the smallest thing. But then because I don't get that control over the depth, it makes the scene overall look a little too complex. So we'll see what I end up doing. Anyways, distractions. All right, so we got the widget done. We were working on the planter boxes. Okay, so can we do like this where we say inset no, because I was gonna say we probably want, I was trying to think if we do like this where we because like some boxes are like that, but no, let's do this. Let's go. So inset and if anything we do this where we say like inset this down and I dissolve. No, I wish that worked more often. Let's see, let's just do this. Let's go. Sorry guys, damn cough won't go away. But yeah, oh you yeah, something like that. Just trying to break up that boxy look, even if it is only for this little bit, you know. How my characters will be, yeah, a little bit. I think I'm gonna, it's gonna, so at the moment, like this is the model I have for just the main character. This is the model I took from, I had made it previously because it's the character that I have in multiple projects, Milo. And then, but with that said, at the same time, for other people, so far I have this little block out because I was trying to block out just size. I'm kind of thinking like kind of use this little like simpler, you know, models, kind of cartoony, big head, you know, but just something like that. And if not, I was looking at like something like ooblets as a possibility, where like that's another colorful game, but they use more realistic proportions, but then just flat shading, like this. Right, so I was thinking that could be something I try. And then if not, like, not that the style, but like the something like this where it's just like not the material style is what I'm saying, but the style of detail, like detail in that. So like somewhere in between those three is probably gonna end up. I think it might end up a little between like closer to the ooblet style, depending on if I model it or not. I think it should be like a little mix between like I have this as a reference as well. Or that's nearly what this is, I feel like. In that it's like, you know, stick army. But like a little taller, a little more detail there. Obviously that's not finished either, but like that way it works with the player, it works with like the scale I've been making all the buildings. Because it's supposed to be like the players, like not from here, but here to, you know, help out the town. So it's okay if the player doesn't necessarily match some of the sizes of things, but as long as they do, it's just like the player. It's weird because like he has a helmet on, obviously, so it's like that makes it odd looking, in a way. So hard to be like, I want exactly this in this way. Also, for anyone on Twitch and not on YouTube, you will be getting an ad in like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds. Probably nothing will happen in that time. Just saying. I wish there were, I think I need to do like the shorter ad length or the longer ad length, but the one added thing. Right now I have it at 2 ads an hour. And it's kind of annoying. Like I forget to look over there every half an hour. We can get working on stuff and I forget. Okay, cool. Let's go back over here, model stuff. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna be like, let's go like color neutral. We could probably do like white or like a, thinking like something that won't affect what house it's on. Move by angle, there we go. Like that. What the heck? Hello. There we go. Oh, whoa. Alright. Sorry. Oy. This doesn't matter that much either way. You can barely see that. I guess we do this, right? Let's go here. And then just do these this way. Not that people will notice. Not that I even will notice. Okay, cool. Let's join that. And then this is a bobber. Adding math underscore. I literally called it what it was. What is it? Not a window flower pot. It's a building props. Some models, building props, window, big chungus there, Jesus. All right, main. Gradient. And then make it smaller. So that is, oh yeah, that's a whole foot. I didn't even. If anything, it needs to be for sure smaller this way. And then let's see, like 3 feet long still. Let me transform. Hey, look at that. Like almost about the right size for this specific one. Not that it should be used for that specific one. It's weird. I think it's still. Alright, so let's use this now. So I don't know where this is from. Oh, I guess that's from that. Okay. This can go this way. Then this. Halfway. Like this. Go another halfway. Wow. Ooh. That did not reload. Well, can't fool me. No, that isn't. That didn't reload. It's doing the thing again. Pretty sure. Really? I mean, either way, it's. Yeah, something like that. I think it still needs to be. Way too big now. Overestimated my. Oh, it might have been I didn't have anything selected. Hold on. I just might have made it smaller. I keep forgetting I don't have active collection on. I have if it's selected. Okay, cool. These aren't for this building. But good to know if I needed to. I kind of put one up there. That might happen, anyways. Or you put one up there and say, "Hey, put a flower in it." It's more for like these buildings though. It's these buildings. I think the issue here. It's like these, or an issue here, not the issue. It's like these need to go up larger or higher. It means this needs to be higher. Or the window needs to be smaller. Oh, hold on. Next night, yeah, foliage can be tough. Yeah. It can be. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Something like that. For the window. Whoa. Wanted to snap back for some reason. Yeah, we'll have that as like a. There we go. We can use that to break up windows where like some buildings have flower pots in them, some don't, obviously. I'm wondering, I forget if I actually imported some. I might have like a flower you can shove in there. I guess like this basically is all we have right now. That's not really meant for any of that stuff. We can do these though. I don't know. I like seeing things visually. Nice. We have the flower set up. Oh yeah, even that just adds a nice little something to it. I like it. I like it. Alright. This goes here. Alright, so this is good. Unselect that. I have some other stuff on my list today. I mean, honestly, I think we could do some simpler things. Like, so let's go here. So that's a small bush. We can do nature, new, and then just a. What I want to do here is just a small rock. That. And then do like a. I don't think do like a. Let's do UV sphere. That should be right. Make it much smaller. It does not need to be like 8, 6. We'll keep it up at 8. And then rings. Do like that. And then radius itself would be relatively small. Alright. So let's delete this. What I'm thinking is we'll do this. Do a couple variations of something like this, like let's flatten that a little bit. We'll adjust it slightly. Right, and now this is a rock that can be placed in the world and look a little different depending on where it is. I feel like we should do something like this where we just say random. That's a thing right up here. Where is it? I know I've seen it. Like randomize. Or is it a modifier? Oh, you know what? It might have been this. Select random, which then selects a random bit. Okay, let's do that. Sure. Select random. With that. Boop. Select random. Alright, cool. And there we'll just make variations. Right, so what I was thinking is like if we actually do a flatter setup. Sorry, I'm just kind of zoned in, guys. I'm making little variations, obviously. Because this way we can just have kind of wherever we want, right? This way I can kind of scatter these on the ground. That was the plan. Something like this, where this one would get like slightly darker of a thing on it, right? So god damn it. Button off. I always hate that one. It's like, oh. Why is this one still getting selected? That was weird. What the hell? How can I move around? Yellow. Was there no like selection box? All right. Hey, where'd they go? Oh, okay. I was like, all right. So back out of here. Nature. Rock set. And you know what? We might do something like this where we say like, I guess on this one. No? Okay. We can say on, yeah, whatever. Nature, small rocks set. Oh, I didn't change the thing. No, perfect. Damn it. Diagonal small rock A. see. There it goes. Alright. So now we can just kind of do a little. Those are even larger than I thought, too. I guess we can do it in Unreal side of things. It's all just freaking. I'm gonna be like that big, right? Alright. We should be able to bulk edit this. Static mesh. Is there material? I need to just make a button for it. So like, my other project, I have it set up where I just hit like a tool, editor tool, and it just makes a material for it. I need for this one, especially since everything's using the same damn thing. Just do main gradient. Alright, there we go. Then we got that. So now we'll be able to do random little petals. And we'll do, these don't need any collision on them. I know that I can bulk edit. Maybe. Edit selection. Collision. Oh, maybe we can't. Oh, that we could. It doesn't matter unless we just. I should have done it on import, really. No collision. No collision. And then collision, remove collision. Reason why, like, this isn't something we need to actually hit ever, right? So why calculate it? Adds it to the list. No collision. Remove. Oh, maybe I do keep that selected. Oh. No collision. Oh, that's why. Oh. The convex had collision. Okay. Also, what was in there? That's an experimental. Experimental skin level sets. Oh, okay, cool. let's save that out. Cool. Now we won't interact with it, but honestly, I don't like. If someone really pays attention to that little half a second where the shoe goes behind it, like they can have that win. So that makes less issues like this, right? At the end of the day, I mean, really, we just need to set and step on a none. Is that a thing in here? No. Okay. And then also, let's simplify this collision. Make it a box, because I already know it did more than that. And step on. No. Should be good now. So it doesn't automatically step up. Obviously, we can still jump onto it, but it doesn't automatically try to step up. Because obviously, it's still a short little gap there. More than anything. Okay. Oh. All right. All right, I'm going to with that though, I think I'm gonna call it a night. We got something like 5-6 models done. We fixed the start widget stuff. If you guys haven't already, hit that follow button or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. I appreciate it. See y'all next time. Let's see. So cool. You can also join our Discord. Let me see if there's anyone I can raid out to. You know what? Let's see. I'm gonna send you over to Actor Pat. This is a really energetic stream compared to mine. But they are finishing Final Fantasy 15. Pretty fun dude to watch. And here you guys go. See you guys later. Hope y'all have a good rest of your days or whatever time it is for you.